Check out. Does this thing have a battery indicator on it?
It's 36%.
Yeah, it's a big sand shark. You must handle it, bro. What's up with you and sand sharks, man? Look here, there's no teeth or anything, bro. He's just strong. Yeah. What's going on here? Little grunter. Yeah.
That's right.
Oh, my bag's wet again. Oh, there he goes. Strong, eh? Ready to go. I think I've just lost it. Oh, I just lost one, bro. Big one.
Something towards us here.
Yeah, you're gonna have to fight it around the boat, eh? Yo, that's a big one, bro. That's a nice one, bro. No, just wait for a while, bro. Just fight him, bro.
Yeah?
No. He's clean, bro. He's clean. It was a nice fish, though. Doing well, you're doing well.
Yeah. Yes, man! Yeah, we were just about to.
Just, bro, I just lost one of those as well. I thought it was mine. I was going on.
Hey, boy! Just this bird!
Perfect hook, yeah, bro.
You want that drag? 2 kilos.
I don't know. It's hard to say. There we go.
Yo, watch out your thing here.
No, that's not 2 kilos.
How much?
Oh. I don't know how you handle these things, Rick.
Shame, bud. That was sick. I got something at least.